He's strong, he's smart, and smooth as can be. The Lode Runner's the pride of VT. Lode Runner, rolling through the halls, helping Sodexo deliver it all. From the kitchen to the floor, he's making life bright. At Miami Jewish Health, he's lifting it right. Alan, Jason, and Joe will say, this robot's saving the day. Carts, trays, boxes, heavy or tall, Lode Runner can handle it all. Lode Runner, VT, robotics shine up the elevator every time. Sodexo's crew can proudly show they've got the power, they've got the flow. No strain, no wait, just push and go. Efficiency's up and spirits glow. From dining to